Outdoor cooking has evolved far beyond traditional charcoal and gas grills. Today, smart grilling technology is making it easier than ever to create restaurant-quality meals right in your backyard. In this review, we're taking a close look at the Ninja OG951 Woodfire Pro Connect Premium XL Outdoor Grill and Smoker, a feature-packed outdoor cooking machine that combines grilling, smoking, air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, and more into a single appliance. With Bluetooth connectivity, app controls, Woodfire flavor technology, 2 built-in thermometers, and 7 cooking functions, the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL aims to simplify outdoor cooking while delivering authentic barbecue flavor. But can it really replace multiple outdoor cooking appliances? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL feels modern and premium. The black and blue design gives it a sleek appearance that looks great on patios, decks, and outdoor kitchens. Despite offering multiple cooking functions, the unit maintains a relatively compact footprint compared to traditional smokers and large grills. The cooking chamber feels well built, while the control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate. Overall, the build quality feels solid and designed for regular outdoor use. One of the standout features is Ninja's Woodfire technology. Unlike traditional pellet smokers that use large amounts of pellets as their primary fuel source, this system uses small amounts of natural wood pellets specifically for flavor enhancement. This allows food to develop authentic smoky barbecue flavor without requiring a full-size pellet smoker setup. Whether you're cooking ribs, chicken, burgers, steaks, or vegetables, the added wood-fired flavor creates a noticeable upgrade in taste. For many users, this feature is what separates the Woodfire Pro Connect from standard electric outdoor cookers. The biggest selling point is versatility. The Woodfire Pro Connect XL combines grill, smoker, air fryer, roaster, baker, reheat function, dehydrator. Instead of owning several outdoor appliances, users can perform multiple cooking styles using a single machine. This flexibility makes it appealing for families, backyard cooks, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Technology is where this grill really stands out. The Bluetooth connectivity allows users to monitor cooking progress directly from their smartphone. Using the companion app, you can check temperatures, monitor cooking status, receive alerts, and manage cooking sessions remotely. This reduces the need for constantly checking food and helps improve cooking consistency. For busy households, the smart features add significant convenience. Another excellent feature is the inclusion of 2 built-in food thermometers. These probes allow users to monitor internal food temperatures accurately without opening the lid. Whether you're cooking multiple cuts of meat or preparing food for a gathering, having dual temperature monitoring improves precision and helps prevent overcooking. This feature is especially useful when smoking brisket, pork shoulder, chicken, or steaks. The cooking performance is impressive. The grill heats quickly, maintains stable temperatures, and produces consistent results across different cooking modes. The air fryer function creates crispy foods outdoors without heating up the kitchen. The smoker function delivers genuine wood-fired flavor, while grilling performance works well for burgers, steaks, chicken, and vegetables. The overall experience feels simple enough for beginners while still offering enough control for experienced outdoor cooks. The Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL works especially well for backyard BBQs, family dinners, weekend grilling, outdoor entertaining, small patios and decks. Its compact size and multifunction design make it a practical solution for people who want maximum versatility without multiple large appliances. Overall, the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect Premium XL is one of the most versatile outdoor cooking appliances available today. It successfully combines grilling, smoking, air frying, and smart cooking technology into one compact and user-friendly package. If you're looking for a modern outdoor cooker that delivers convenience, flavor, and versatility without requiring multiple appliances, this is absolutely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what would be the first thing you'd cook on the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL.